Hi, in today's video we'll show you how to run panel generalized method of moment in Eviews. So in this video we'll take an example of the generalized method of moment by analyzing the impact of trade aid for trade on the GDP per capita, and will use other control variables like economic openness, the level of secondary education, and the variable aid for trade and economic openness. So if the first time you are watching one of my video, do not hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the red button at the right at the bottom of the screen by activating the notification bell in order not to lose my next publication. So you can leave a thumbs up so that I can realize that what I'm doing right now is impacting the society. So coming back in our generalized method of moment in Eviews is a instrumental variable method that is used to run a dynamic panel. So to run a generalized method of moment, we need just to go in quick and then click on estimate equation. So my dependent variable here is GDP per capita. So I'll select my variable GDP per capita, followed by independent variable that are economic openness that I call open. I have education, variable education, and finally I have aid for trade. Aid for trade. So when you have set the specification of your model, we need to give go to the method tab in order to select generalized method of moment dynamic panel data. Click on it. So you have the possibility to select the instrument. So the instrument for this method are generally the independent variable, the lack one independent variable. So I will copy my independent variable and paste in instrument list. So I will lock my different variable, openness, economic openness. I have education, -1. I have 8 for 3. So if I click on OK, you will see that my method is my data has been generated. My estimation has been generated, but it's not a good way to do so, because you see here in panel option we have none, so that in general method of moment you need to choose one of method like difference or orthogonal deviation. So to very well set up dynamic panel wizard, when you are on estimate, just click on dynamic panel wizard and select the different option to run dynamic panel. So click on next, and we have to select the lab number, and we'll keep one lab in the our dependent variable for now. So then we click on next, and we have possibly here to include period dummy variable in our say. We'll just keep the by default option, then click on next. We have possibility to choose between difference and education. We'll keep for now difference, and then click on next, and can notice that our log to variable has been added to instrument list, and then we click on next, and we can see that transform difference. So we click on next. Here we can set the number of steps required for iteration. We keep 2 steps as default value. We click on next, and then we click on end, and then we click on OK, and you can see that our lag dependent variable have been put in our estimation, and we have all our variables that are significant. We have the economic openness that have negative impact on GDP per capita. So which means that when GDP per capita increase, economic openness indicator increase, GDP per capita decrease rather. So education, aid for trade have a positive impact on uh, GDP per capita. So when education or aid for trade or economic aid for trade increase, the GDP per capita increase too. So that's it for this video, in which hope you have very well understood how to run panel generalized method of moment using Eviews. And if you have not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, do subscribe and activate the notification bell and let me a like. It will be a pleasure for me to come back to you